Hey there, Scipio here, and this is going to be a super quick video, but I've got a little bit of a mess here, and I am replacing that multifunction connector that is right over there on the wiring harness coming out of the dash on this 2004 TJ. As you can see, this connector is a little bit disintegrated and nasty. So I got this one from Dorman, which comes with an entire wiring harness, and basically the design here is you can replace and cut all the wires and splice into those wires, assuming that they may be bad. However, all my wires are good and my connectors are good, so I really only need the connector piece. I don't need the terminals and the wires. So I'm doing this video because it took me a long time of playing around with this puzzle to figure out how to remove the existing terminals in here. And I even contacted Dorman and say, hey, what's the trick to doing this? What's the tool to use? What's the method? I tried several different terminal tools. You can see here that there's some, looks like little slots in the front that might use a terminal tool. I tried going from the front, I tried going from the back, couldn't get it all, and I finally solved the puzzle. So I'm showing you right now how to do this in case you need this information. So as you can see here on the side are these little clips that I finally found, and what I figured out is if you can pry those up above this little I don't know, raised area here, then you can slide the front of this off. I'm just using a little pick tool just to be able to lift it up. And once you get it, this piece will come out. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it all the way off. There's another detent there. And now you've exposed the front of all these terminals. And with that off, what we can see here there are these little bitty levers that you can now lift up and pull these out. So I'm going to try and do this with the camera here. All right, so I push that lever down. I can pull this out. So these little plastic catches, you just lever them down, and then you can slide the wire out. So this that center piece, that front piece that I removed, its job is to hold these in place so that they can't be levered down. So you have to remove that front piece. Then you can get in there and pull those out. And to replace the terminals, you just shove them in from the back and then clip that face back on. So there you go. That is how to deal with this, actually any brand of this multifunction connector. This is a C1 connector on a 2004 Jeep Wrangler, but a lot of Chrysler vehicles use this connector right here in the steering wheel console area. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.